Here I have Huawei Honor 20i, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So if you want to take screenshot, firstly you'll have to enter a screen which you want to capture, and then you just have to tap the combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time, and that's how you take screenshot. Let me show you one more time: power key and volume down at the same time. And that's how you take screenshot. You can also take screenshot by going to the upper bar, and here you have the button screenshot. Just tap on it and it works the same way. You can find your screenshots in gallery, in the screenshots album here. And from here you can share, edit or delete your screenshots. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.